Hi, boys and girls. So this week we're talking about numbers that are 10 more, 10 less, and 1 more and 1 less on a number line. So really this is just all about number patterns. So on your paper there's a 120 chart for you to use, and then you just have to find the number and follow the pattern. So for example, if we find 34 right here on the hundreds chart, we just look and see what's above, what's next to it, and what's below. So what is 10 less? 24. And this is like if we were counting by unfriendly tens. 24, 34, what's next? 44. Good. And then we just do the numbers on each side. So 1 less is 33, 1 more is 35. So we're just going to do this on all of our numbers. So what is the next number? What number is this? 68. Very good. So if we find 68 and circle it, then we can just find the numbers that are above, below, and to the side. So if we are counting by unfriendly tens, we start with 58, 68, and then what? 78. And then 1 less would be 67, and 1 more would be 69. Can you hear my noisy dog? She's chewing on her bone. It's so loud. Can you hear her? Clarabelle, say hi. Okay, so the next number we have is 95. So circle 95. And then if we were counting unfriendly tens starting at 5, we would say 5, 15, 25, and so on. We would say 85, 95, and then what would be next? 105. And thank you for saying 105 and not 105. So the two numbers before, or the number 1 less, is 94, and then 96. Okay? Okay. So now we have 3 more. I want you to do these ones on your own. Push pause on the video, and then push play and check your answers. Okay, so we're back. Let's check your answers and see if you got the same as me. So the number that would come after 15 is 10 more, would be 25. And then the number before is 14, and the number after is 16. Okay, so if we're looking at 57, 10 less is 47, 10 more is 67, and then you have 56, 57, and 58. So for the last one, remember, if you made any mistakes, just go ahead and fix them. The last one would be 10 less than 84, 74. 10 more is 94. And then 1 less is 83. And 1 more is 85. Okay, so now if we turn ahead and finish your paper, back, you're going to see some rocket math, but these are pretty simple and they're just subtraction. So remember the trick that I taught you. First, find all of the neighbors on the number line, and the answer to all of the ones that are neighbors on the number line is just 1. So if you look through and find all of those first, that's going to be pretty easy and super helpful. Okay, and then so do that first. Then if you go and find all the minus ones, it's just the number that's 1 less, right? So I know that all of these are just 1 less. So you can just do this really quick. And then the rest of them that are left are only minus 2. So you just go 2 less than the number. So it's no big deal. Okay, boys and girls, great job today.